In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Timbren BES brake enhancement system on the rear of your vehicle. Before we get started, make sure you have everything included in the brake kit laid out and ready to go. You'll also want to have your tools prepared. Shown are all the tools that helped us in this install. Before lifting the truck, you need to disengage the electronic parking brake by putting the truck into service mode from the head unit. The first step in this process will be to remove the parking brake actuator. There are two bolts holding it in place, and those can be removed with a Torx bit. Once the bolts are out, gently wiggle and pull the parking brake assembly away from the caliper. Be careful not to put stress on any wiring and set the assembly someplace safe. Now we're ready to remove the caliper. Remove the two slider pin bolts that hold the caliper housing in place. Once those bolts are removed, carefully pull the caliper housing off the bracket. Use a brake hook or a bungee cord to hang the caliper housing securely so it is not hanging by the brake line. Once the caliper housing has been hung, we can remove the two caliper bracket bolts and access the brake pads. Now that the whole caliper system has been removed, remove the OEM rotor using a 5/32 Allen key. It's time to replace the brake pads with your new Timbren ones. Remove the two wire hooks holding the pads together and the OEM brake pads from the caliper bracket, followed by the original brake clips. Before installing the new Timbren brake clips, apply the provided lubricant to the back of the clips. Then, snap them into place on the caliper bracket. Pay close attention to the orientation of the factory clips, as the new Timbren clips will need to be installed the same way. Once the clips are installed, place the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Install the new Timbren rotor onto the hub and secure it with the bolt. Then, slide the caliper bracket with the new pads onto the new rotor. Apply a dab of blue Loctite to the caliper bracket bolts. Then, tighten and torque them to spec. Now, reinstall the caliper housing over the new pads and rotor. Make sure everything lines up cleanly and the brake hose is not twisted or under any tension. Apply Loctite to the slider pin bolts, reinstall them, and torque those to spec. Next, reinstall the parking brake assembly. Line up the parking brake assembly with the motor mechanism and work it back into place. Once it's in place, reinstall the two bolts. If you're installing the front kit as well, follow along to the next video. And that's all it takes to install your new Timbren BES brake enhancement system on your vehicle. If you want to find out more information or find out information on our other products like our Timbren SES suspension enhancement system, head on over to Timbren.com and get all the information you're going to need. See ya.